Welcome to Sapling Learning. To enter your course, go to saplinglearning.com. Under Instructors, click on Sign In or Create a Sapling account. Click on US Higher Ed or one of the other choices as appropriate. Enter your username and password and click Login. Click on the relevant course. This is the homepage for your course. Down the middle, you can see the different assignments and activities. Feel free to click on any item to explore it further. Any item in green or blue is visible to students. Any item in gray is hidden from students. To view one of the assessments, simply click on it. You will then see a list of questions in that assessment with the title, question type, grading type, and topic. You can look at an individual question in more detail by clicking on the image to the left. From here, you can see the question and the correct answer. If you click on the Show Feedback toggle, you can then see the solution. Clicking the Incorrect Feedback tab will show you any wrong answer feedback as you look through the incorrect answers. If you wish to remove this question from your assignment, click on Remove Question from Assessment at the top in red. If you are okay with this question, use the next arrow to navigate to the next question in the assignment or simply X out of the problem. If you wish to see a preview of all the problems, click on Student Preview in the upper right and go through the problems. You will be asked if you would like to clear existing preview attempts. If you have run the preview before, this will clear the previous question attempts so you can start over again. You will note that this is the student view of the assignment, so you can attempt the problem and get feedback, but you can't see the correct answer or incorrect answer feedback without working the problem first and clicking on Check Answer in the upper right. Once you are done with the preview, just X out of it. If you wish to add additional questions to your assignment, click on Question Bank. You can use the navigation on the far left to open up the table of contents. You can drill down to browse by topic, or you can use the filter search to find questions that interest you. Once you have found the question or questions that you want to add, simply check the box and click Add, or click Pool to add the question to a question pool. Then, you can go back to the assessment to see your new list of questions and remove or reorder as needed. Now you can look at the grading settings to make sure they match your assignment goals. For instance, you may want to have a late penalty or a timed assignment for higher stakes assessments. But you may want to offer multiple attempts and learning aids for lower stakes assignments. If you make any changes to the settings, be sure to click Save. Then, use the breadcrumbs at the top to get back to your course home. If you wish to see just what students are seeing, click on Switch Role To on the top right. Just don't forget to switch back to the instructor view so you can continue editing your course. Also in the upper right, you will notice a link to our support community for additional information on how to work with Sapling. If your course includes an ebook, you will see the link to the full ebook on the right as well. You will need to set up a username and password the first time you access this ebook, as will your students. But every time after, you can just enter the ebook seamlessly. Please know that your course may have additional resources or assessment types, such as learning curve or diagnostics. You can learn more about those in our support community. On the far left of the page, you will also see additional navigation tools, such as the gradebook, resources list, and activities and due dates. The activities and due dates icon in particular is useful, as you can see all your assignments in one spot and make edits or bulk changes as needed here. You can also use this page to grant extensions. Again, you can use the breadcrumbs to go back to your course homepage. If you have any questions about how Sapling works or how we can help you, please don't hesitate to ask.